Good morning, my wonderful students. You're welcome to another wonderful edition of our e-learning classes. Once again, my name is Kayit. You're welcome. In our last class, we discussed conversion of lengths, to convert lengths from different units and to also add it, depending on the values you're given. So today, by the special grace of God, we are going to discuss on division of what? Length. Divisions of what? Length. Without any much waste of our time, we'll go straight to the business of the day. Here is a problem for us to solve. We say the length of the wire is 36 centimeters. Cut it into two equal parts. What they are saying in essence is for you to cut 36 into what? Two equal parts. Say this is the wire 36 centimeters. What do? You cut it into two. Okay? So if you cut it into two, what do you have? The new equation is going to be what? 36 divided by what? 2. Okay? You can also write this as what? 36 all over what? 2. Michelle Mangai, if you are to divide 36 by 2, what do you have? Good. 18 centimeters. 18 what? Centimeter. Don't forget to use the same unit they give you in the equation. Therefore, if you are to divide a wire 36 centimeters long into 2, you're going to have 18 centimeters, as the answer. Okay? So the second question of the board is the length of a plot of land is 120 meters, 60 centimeters. 120 meters, 60 centimeters. Okay? Divide it into 3 equal parts. What do? You simply what? We simply have a 120 meters, 60 centimeters. We divide it as in a division of decimals, right? This over 3 and this over 3. Okay, what you're dividing the meter by, you divide it by the what? The same number by the what? Centimeter. The centimeter by the same number. Right? Now, 120 meter or 120 divided by 3 is what? Zinga. Good. 120 divided by 3 is what? Is 40. Okay, therefore we have 40 meter here, right? Beautiful. And so, 60 divided by 3 is what? Pame. Good. Is 20. Therefore, we have 20 centimeters. As simple as anything. Okay? Very simple, right? So we have 40 meters, 20 centimeters. Okay? Coming to this part, we have, I think this is one of the most complex parts, question, out of the problems we're going to solve. So you have to be very, very attentive. This time around, we're dividing 22 meters, 15 centimeters by what? By 5. So what I suggest is we go by the long division system. Okay? We go by the what? By the long division system. We are dividing what? We are dividing 22 meters. Okay? 15 centimeters. Okay? By what? By 5. By 5. Okay? So we look for the closest number to 22 that 5 can go into it, okay, without remainder. And what is that number? The number is what? What's the closest number? Singer, beautiful. The number is what? 20. So we write it as 20 meters. Okay? So how many times will 5 go into 20? Good. 5 will go into 20. How many times? 4. So we write our 4 meter here. This column is for meter and this other side is for centimeter. But if you look closely, you will see that something is missing, right? So we're going to subtract this 22 minus 20, right? Or 20 from 22, right? So that we have 2 meters. Okay? Don't forget, 2 meters is the equivalent of what? 200 what? Centimeter. That is, on this line, we are still left with what? That is 15 plus what? Plus 200, we are left with what? 215 what? Centimeter. Okay? So that is to say that we are still going to distribute this 215 by what? By 5. Okay? So when you get to this point, in order not to complicate the work for you, we can just make it very simple by saying 215 centimeter divided by what? By 5 centimeter. So this is the same thing as what? 200 plus what? 15, okay? Divided by 5 centimeter, okay? So this is also the same thing as what? 200 divided by 5, okay? 200, let me write it like this, divided by 5 plus what? 15 divided by 5. All in what? All in centimeter. You must maintain the what? The unit of measurement. I hope we understand where we're going. Good. So 10 is 20, so 200 divided by 5 will be 40, right? So we have 40 plus 15 divided by 5, we all know is what? 3. Okay? All in what? In centimeter. Therefore, we have 43 centimeter. Good. For the centimeter, we have 4 meter, 43 what? Centimeter as our answer. I believe it's very simple. After taking the centimeter part, you break it, you know, to the lowest part by dividing it by what? 5. Okay? I want to believe the class is properly understood. If there's anything you don't understand, please do well to table it to us in our next class. With this, we've come to the end of our today's class. Thank you very much for your time. Continue to help your parents, you know, with the house chores and always maintain social distancing. Thank you. Okay? Here on the board is a homework for you. You're to divide 72 meter 86 centimeter by 2. You can go by the long division table, or you can split it just like I did. Okay? And we will try our best to assess you and see how well you've attended the question. Thank you very much. God bless you.